Yes, the wonderful world of AI. If you haven't been living under a rock recently, then you've probably heard of ChatGPT. And if somehow you haven't, then ChatGPT is a generative artificial intelligence created by OpenAI and released back in 2022. And it has been seen to be very capable in a variety of areas. However, with such power and such accessibility, there are bound to be some ethical concerns. But even so, we cannot deny how useful of a resource it can be. So, use it responsibly. As many of you may know, there are many great study methods out there, including things like the Feynman technique or the blurting method. Well, one of my favorite ways of studying is by working my way through practice problems. A lot of times my notes in class cover different types of problems, but since I already know the answer to them, they aren't as helpful when I try to solve them again. So, one way I ethically use AI to help me with my studies is by generating problems similar to those which were covered in class. I simply input the problem I would like to practice, and I ask the AI to produce a question in a similar style. Another way I like to use AI is for it to help me grasp concepts better. Perhaps you dozed off during a lesson, or your teacher is just spitting bars. I find it incredibly helpful for someone, or in this case something, to explain the confusing concept to me as if I were 5. The great part is, if you still don't get it, you can keep asking it to rephrase it and simplify it even further.